Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. If you are trying to install updates on your Windows 11 computer but are receiving error code 1053, which states the service did not respond to the start or control request in a timely fashion, the background update service is timing out before it can execute. I will show you exactly how to extend this timeout limit and reset the service right now. Let's get started. First, the simplest fix is to manually force the stalled Windows Update background service to restart and adjust its startup behavior. Press the Windows key plus R, type services.msc into the Run box, and press Enter to launch your System Services Manager. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the alphabetical list and double-click on the entry named Windows Update. Change the Startup Type drop-down to Automatic rather than a delayed start. Click the Stop button if it is currently stuck trying to run, and then click Start. Next, if the service continues to time out after 30 seconds and throws the error, you can manually increase Windows' default response timer. Press the Windows key plus R again, type REGEDIT, and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. Navigate exactly to hkey-local_machine/system/current control set/control using the folders on the left sidebar. Right-click on any empty space in the right pane, select New, then DWORD 32-bit value, and name it exactly Services Pipe Timeout. Double-click this new entry, select decimal as the base, type 1800000 as the value data to give the service 3 full minutes to respond, and click OK. Finally, if the timer is fixed but the update installation is still failing, your downloaded update cache is likely corrupted and needs a fresh start. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type net stop WUAUSERV and press Enter to temporarily halt the primary background update service so you can delete the files. Navigate to C:\Windows\software distribution in File Explorer. Delete every single file inside, and then type net start WUAUSERV in your command prompt to restart the service. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.